just got a call. Looks like a brand new Ford Bronco stuck out in the snow out at 5 Mile Pass. He was playing around and got himself stuck up on a snow drift and lifted the tires off the ground. Now he's just spinning. So we're gonna take Black Betty, head out there and get him out. Enjoy the show. So the GPS had us get off the road before the parking lot for the snakes, but I think it'll be more straight shot to the canyon that's just southeast of Sunshine Canyon, where we're used to going. They're all on that hillside waving. Hey, I see ya. I'm just looking for a good spot.
I tried to come down. You're up where I came down, and I couldn't get through. So I worry you get stuck if you try to come down there.
Yeah, we'll take a look. I just was getting up to where I could park.
Well, yeah.
So
we're down at the bottom. This is where we drove down. Back out on that road. Getting through this ditch is going to be hairy.
yeah, we're good. I got a plan.
Okay.
I'm gonna come right down here, and then I'll drive through that and knock down the snow, and then I'll come back. We'll hook on. We'll pull you out, pull you through, and then we'll just go down that road.
Okay.
You might want to film this from the outside
Yeah, I can stand over
in
there.
case I roll.
his dad?
Yes.
Are you as crazy as him?
He's got a couple of those motorcycles. Awesome. It's now
So how many subscribers does he have?
I don't know. We just started a channel to him then.
Oh really? Did he got a stock motor in it?
Mm-hmm.
Getting into this.
Well, I'm visiting from Arkansas, and these are my brothers, and we're just. The original plan was just to go talk and drive, and
he decided to send it.
yeah,
So he's just giving you something to talk about.
yeah. Well, this is how memories are made, you know. So fun stuff.
The 71.
Do you do swaps, like engine swaps?
Yeah, we can.
Well, shoot.
We have an alignment business where
Hold up.
Dude, we gotta move.
You're running over the rope. There you go. Okay, ease forward. Right there. Hold on. Okay. Let me pull you so you don't come into the tree. My knee bumped my lockers off. I can pull pretty easily, but it's not going to do you a whole lot of good for me to pull you straight sideways. So, go ahead and back straight up, about 3 feet. Don't turn your wheel. Okay, stop. Come forward. Right there. Don't turn your wheels. Keep them straight. So when you go to back up, preload it a little bit. So push on the, while you're holding the brake, push on the throttle a little bit, and go. Okay, come forward. Yeah. Okay.
Awesome.
Go ahead and back straight up. Right there. Okay, let me move out of the way. So you'll want to turn and get your passenger tire about right here. Okay, turn in this way. remember when I said go really easy?
Yeah.
I meant through all of it.
Okay. What'd I do? I mean, I broke the window, but how to break the window?
You hit your spare tire when you bounced coming down, and it twisted the spare tire up, bent your rear tailgate, and shattered your window.
It bent the tailgate?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Where did,
Look.
oh yeah.
So you can see the bottom is sticking way out.
Yeah.
The top is sticking way in.
Okay.
It ripped these out.
Okay. That's not good.
So yeah, when I said go easy, I meant
Slow.
go slow and easy the whole way. You don't have to rally it. We're not in a dire situation. I could have pulled you right through that super easy, but you would have crawled through that. You didn't need to get crazy with it. That's what I was trying to warn you about down there.
Well,
When you get throttle happy, that's the kind of stuff that happens.
this is probably not even safe to drive down the road like.
You'll be fine driving down the road.
Sorry, Jake.
Hey, it's all good. What are you gonna do? Well, we're out.
That's what happens on off-road sometimes.
It is what happens off-road sometimes. Yep.
Shoot.
Just look at my rig.
Yeah.
There's
Do I-
carnage everywhere.
Do I disconnect this? Well,
They'll
okay.
have some of those.
Can we follow you out?
Absolutely, yeah. No, I'm gonna make sure you guys get out, no problem. I was gonna ask if you're still going up and playing, or if you want to just head out
at this,
now. So.
at this point, we're out, dude. Oh.
You got enough to talk about for a while, so.
I'm gonna be.
We've made enough
let me-
memories.
Oh,
Let me get some close-ups.
I did a little interview with the
If I
see.
move back to
This is
Utah, dude,
creases.
I'm gonna have these guys work on my Bronco.
I know. Dude, I'm gonna have a pissed off wife, I'll tell you that right now.
I actually have no idea on these. A lot of cars I could give you an estimate, but I don't know how much this stuff costs. So
Did you?
I'm used to the roads out here,
you
so
love doing this
30
stuff.
miles an hour out here is not.
Do
a
you
big
love
deal.
this?
I freaking love this. Yeah, I absolutely love
this
this.
is your dream job.
Absolutely, 100%.
Dude, it's awesome.
I just don't make any money at it because I don't hardly charge people. But
Well, if your YouTube channel picks up,
that's my goal.
Yeah.
I started the YouTube channel just a few months ago, and I've only got like 800 subscribers.
Oh, really?
Dude.
But it's
Dude,
catching on.
I'm excited that it's going to be on YouTube.
I know.
Yeah.
That's going to be a great thing.
Caleb, and then we'll stop down below and I'll get you paid. Dang, dude. Or wherever you want.
No, that's fine. Yeah, I'm actually going to take you out and probably turn right instead of going back to where we went.
Yeah.
Because it's basically a road that goes out.
That's
So.
perfect.
Love that Bronco. Spare was pretty high. You wouldn't think it would have rubbed, but. That's the 73 highway there.
Big picture, both of you guys. No, get in there, dude. Get in there.
Oh, you don't want a picture of me, just
yeah,
the truck.
dude, get in there. Get in there. There we go. Okay. Hey, I'm gonna get on the road if it's okay
Yeah,
with you guys.
take it easy. You guys
Okay.
enjoy.
Thank you. I hope we make it home without that tailgate falling off.
Oh, you'll be okay. He's got some crazy toe out. Does it look like the front's towed out on that side, Dad?
No, it looks good.
This side, the tire looks like it's pointed outward. A lot.
Went into my lane so I can see. Oh, it does.
I'm gonna call him real quick. I'm worried about that. Let me let you go. Hey, real quick, how's your Bronco driving right now? It looks like your driver front tire has got really bad toe out and it's sticking outward. It's making me a little nervous. But if it's driving good,
Have him pull over and let's check it.
probably be okay. If you want, you can pull over and I can check something real quick. Okay. Yeah, I'd like to look at what's going on with the front end. Something's not right, so I'll see you in a sec.
These have some weak links on them, and it looks like they have a lot of toe out. Looks like the tire's pointing this way when you're going down the road. You see how this one's pointed out? And the other one's straight.
The toe.
It's towed out right now. And it looks like you have about 80 foot of tow out. Driving behind you, you can see.
You got almost half an inch of toe out.
Wow.
Okay.
Yeah, that's about 30 foot per mile.
80 foot per mile.
Every mile that time goes to the front.
They didn't feel loose or bent. I'm not seeing anything real obvious. And if it doesn't drive different than it normally does, I would say it probably just wasn't aligned properly last time it was done. So, yeah, you're good. Go ahead and, I mean, the more you drive it, the more it'll wear, but if it hasn't changed the way it drives from what you're used to, it's probably not a safety issue. Just listen for creaks and groans and pops that are new.
I've heard it do this weird noise once. It sounded like eek, kind of like a high pitched kind of squeal.
Yeah.
When you're going down the road, it's a straight road.
I haven't noticed that.
Yeah. So just pay attention to that stuff. You're probably good to drive it home, but I would set an appointment to get it aligned for
Okay.
sure.
I got to get a lot done now all of a sudden. Thank you.
Good luck.
Appreciate it.